Today I have for you a chair yoga sequence that you can do at your desk, at work, or anywhere where you have a chair and either a desk, a table, or a counter. And we'll be focusing on a twisting flow. So let's begin. Begin sitting in your chair, but scooch forward so you don't get stuck here. Let's get some movement in the shoulders. So inhale, arms overhead, stretch, stretch, stretch. Bring your arms together. Exhale, hands in front of heart. Now let's do a few more of those. Inhale, gather all the energy of the day, and exhale, drawing it into your heart, and then releasing it. And again, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale through the nose. Feel the breath flowing. Inhale up and exhale, hands in front of heart. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist right. And inhale, center. So moving from your belly and from your heart, let everything float along with this. Exhale, twist right. Inhale, center. So feel your sitting bones. Those bones you're sitting on, root down. Lift up through the spine. Keep lifting upward as you exhale, twist. And inhale. Inhale here, stay here. And let's go left. Exhale, twist left. And inhale, center. So there's no need to try to go any further than your body's ready. You're getting movement here. Twist. Inhale, center. You just want to move with your breath. Exhale, twist. Inhale, center. Same thing, just cross one wrist over the other. Give yourself a nice big hug. Imagine this is you hugging yourself. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist right. Maybe twist a little deeper, maybe not. Just turning your head isn't working for the rest of your spine. It works for your cervical spine. Inhale, center. Exhale, the other way, left. Feeling that full range of motion. Inhale, center. And exhale, right. Inhale, center. And exhale, left. That felt so good. Let's do one more. Inhale. And exhale, right. Let's pause, pause, pause just a little bit. Hold out the exhale. And then inhale, center. And exhale, left. Hold. And inhale, center. Eyes soft, gazing straight ahead. Release your hands down to your thighs. Now let's do a modified down dog while sitting on the chair, which means you're going to tilt your pelvis forward and walk your hands up your desk, forward on your desk. Push down through the hands, lift the arm bones up. Reach down and back with those sitting bones. Feel your spine extend. Luxuriate in this stretch. Feel how the belly's supporting you here. And then inhale, walk your hands up. And let's go back. Hands in front of heart. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale, twist to the right again. And this time we'll stay with just twisting right. Inhale, center, like we did before. Exhale, twist. As we get warmer, maybe you can go a little further, maybe not. As you exhale, you twist to the right. Inhale, center. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And inhale. Make sure you're far away from your desk enough so that you're not going to hit the desk. I'll show you. You want to bow forward. So, scooching back a little bit. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist right. And this time you're going to bow forwards as you're twisting right. You might not get very far at all, or you might hook your elbow to the outside of the thigh. Doesn't matter, just what's good for you. And then inhale, center. So we'll stay on the right side. Get used to that twist. And then bow. And then use the inhale to come back to center. Exhale, twist, bow, inhale, center. 2 more. Exhale, twist, bow, inhale, center. And exhale, twist, bow, inhale, center. And now the left side. This, just allow yourself that moment to go, let go of everything you thought this side was going to be, because it will be different. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist left. And bow. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Bow. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Bow. And center. So get that length on the inhale, the twist on the exhale. Keep exhaling as you bow. Inhale, center. And twist. Bow. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Bow. Inhale, center. Remember to let me know in the comments whether you want more strengthening exercises. Do you want something a little more challenging or less challenging? I can't wait to hear from you. And I hope this helped you feel a little bit better today. And if you like this video, please remember to click the like button, because that also helps me know which videos to do more of. I look forward to seeing you again next time. Namaste.